Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So I want to talk to you about the danger zone. This is an area that I've talked about in previous videos, but we're talking about, we had the pre-Bitcoin halving danger zone. Now we're talking about the post-Bitcoin, the after Bitcoin halving danger zone. And I'm going to bring this back to you in capacity of any and all major cryptos that you own. This is not just a Bitcoin specific thing. And this definitely is crypto news that you need to know. So I want to thank you for giving me a few minutes of your time. Okay. So like I said, Bitcoin post halving danger zone. We're going to dig into this in this video. Hey, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Right now, crypto is continuing to do its consolidation thing where it's kind of going sideways. We know this 61,000. Ethereum's dropped below 3,000. But you can see the overall market is really flat. Okay, so back to this. So this is a situation where we've only got a couple of more days left in the post-halving danger zone. Got to get that all in there, make sure. Okay, so look at this. This is from Rect Capital. I love Rect over on X. In 2016, Bitcoin produced a long 11% downside wick approximately 21 days after the halving before reversing towards the upside. Key there's 21 days. Bitcoin is currently 21 days after the halving right now. 2016 history showed that the downside volatility around the reaccumulation range, green horizontal level, and I'm going to show you this right here, tends to occur. And indeed, it also occurred in the cycle with a 6.5% downside wick occurring 14 days after the halving. The danger zone has been satisfied as a result. Okay. Overall, the purple post-halving danger zone is on the cusp of ending this week. And Bitcoin just needs to hold above 60,600 until the end of the week to be in the clear. And you can see that Bitcoin's at 61,000. Again, this is not a Bitcoin. Yes, this is a Bitcoin chart. But what we're really talking about here is obviously, what's everything, right? Okay, so we need to stay above 60,600. Is what Rect is talking about, okay, for it to basically, for us to be in the clear. And if you look at this chart, make sure you guys can see it. Yes, you can. Okay, so on the right-hand side, see that blue circle, blue line, see the orange vertical box, the purple box, and then the pink box. So what we're talking about is that we're basically out of that purple box, which is the post-halving danger zone. And if you look over here on the left side, see 2016, see how much inside that blue circle, see how much Bitcoin dropped in that purple box. You can see that in that kind of light purple box right there. See how much Bitcoin went down, and you can see how we've had a parallel activity here in the 2024 cycle where with Bitcoin has gone down in that purple box. But then what you see if you move into the pink box on the left side back over in 2016, you see how Bitcoin started to kind of gradually move back up. You see that now that happened probably over a period of about 4 or 5 months. So this is the 4 or 5 month period that we talk about kind of leading into September, October, when we get into the green box. Okay. So the green box there is when Bitcoin goes parabolic and the rest of crypto market goes parabolic along with it. So the bottom line of what you need to understand from this video is that we are as of Sunday, we will be done with that purple box. We will be basically in that post, we'll be done with that post halving danger zone, and we've got to stay above 60,600 to basically qualify and kind of meet all the parameters that Rect has laid out here. Rect Capital's laid out. But I wanted you to see, I think that Rect Capital does an amazing job on these graphics and these visuals, and that's what I think is relevant. So I just wanted to make sure you had this crypto news for yourself, and let me know what your thoughts are. But that's where we're at, the Bitcoin post-halving danger zone. We're almost out of it. And then the good thing here, kind of looking at that 2016 cycle, seeing that pink box, Bitcoin started going back up. I mean, it went up in that kind of cycle. We saw Bitcoin go from pretty decent up. So you can see it moved up right there pretty nicely. Okay, and so just again sharing all those variables with you. Okay, so thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time, and I'll take care. I will see you.